These grapevines all along this fence are 30 plus years old. They're probably closer to 40 or 50 years old. One of them appears to be struggling, and so I decided last fall that I am going to take care of that. I mean, I'll keep this grapevine as long as I can. It's an heirloom seeded Concord. So I'm going to keep that as long as I can. But I decided that I need possible replacements in case one of these does die. So here is the solution. Okay, these are my garden boxes. And those sticks sticking up on the far side, those are grapevine starts. Grapevines start very, very easily. Each one of those is anywhere between, I don't know, a foot and 2 feet long. I took them, half of them are the green Concord, or the seedless Concord, and half of them are green interlochen. I have records inside showing which ones are which, and those grapevines, in the spring, whichever ones have rooted, I will take and pot out. And if I don't need them, then I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to give them away or sell them or something. Probably give them away. I haven't been very good at selling stuff. But that is my grapevine starts, and they don't look like much. Let's see if we can get a better picture. Let's see. It's interesting to look at them, because in another video, we talked about how to tell if something is alive. And this right here is a bud. I can tell that this grapevine is budding. It's probably rooted, simply because we have that bud right there. This is another one. This right here is a bud. And chances are good that it would not be budding if it wasn't rooted. So each one of these is a potential grapevine. And I have some other grapevines in other areas of the yard that I will replace if these actually grow, but most of them will probably be given away. Okay. These here are the interlochen, and there's a bud right there. These are buried much deeper, and I'm not sure that those will work. They had buds, but they're just under the surface, so I was testing to see how that works. Grapevines are very, very easy to propagate. If you find a grapevine for a grape that you like, ask the owner if you can get a stem, and then either wrap it up under the ground or cut it into pieces like this, and the next spring you should have grapevines. Thanks. Talk to you later.